Hello, Cleveland, and everyone from everywhere else. Welcome to your 10-minute TA for Saturday, May 10th, 2025. Before we get started, please give me a like, subscribe, a follow, whatever platform you are on. And as a thank you, I give you the final chapter of the Adventures of Rollo the Raccoon. Chapter 10, Home at Last. That night, beneath the stars, Rollo curled up beside his dragon in their treehouse nook. The map was worn, the backpack dusty, but their hearts were full. Their journey had ended, but the legend had only just begun. All right, let's dive into these charts. I'm going to turn this video or audio down a bit. Turn it down just a bit. Alrighty, and let's take a look-see at our chart. So, we're still kind of in the same bull flag. Oh, let me make this bigger. We're still kind of in the same bull flag that we were in yesterday. We just got to adjust it a bit. Not much adjusting needed. Is that magnet on? Where's the magnet on? Yeah, not much adjusting needed. Move the measured move over. And our measured move is still roughly about the same, 107. Let's adjust our retracement. It goes from the top of the pattern, not the top of the bull flag pole, but top of the pattern. So right now the retracement's over to 100,000 $100,500. Yeah, that was difficult to say for some reason. I don't know why, but I got it out. Anyway, so yeah, that's our pullback place. Our RSI does seem to be coming down. We got a bearish div here as well on the RSI. Mark that here. You'll see. Mark it in red so it stands out. But yeah, you'll see higher highs there on price. Lower highs here on RSI. That shows us a bearish divergence, telling us that pullback that I've been talking about might finally be here. And I mean, price can't just go up and to the right, you know. You can't do that. Let me do it this way. It can't just go up and to the right. Like, that's what it's been doing here for a while now. You know what I'm saying? Up and to the right. Do that on daily. Like, up and to the right. Ever since them April lows, it's been up and to the right. Up and to the right. Up and to the right. You're telling me they're not going to have a retracement? There's not going to be a retracement like these retracements here? Comes down, comes back up. So you're telling me it's going to come up, not come back down? Unlikely. I mean, possible, but it's unlikely. But yeah, the unlikely situation is what's been going on for the past few days, a week now-ish. When did that start? Well, April, a few weeks, really. The last nice move was May 6th. Before that, the nice move was April 20th, 420. All right, anyway, back to the 90-minute chart. What else are we seeing here? We're seeing the Stokes curling to the downside, starting an oscillation to the downside. That tells us some downside movements coming. RSI, same deal. It's looking downside. However, I mean, it could still catch within the confines of this bull flag and shoot to the upside, but this bearish divergence here has me concerned. What is that going to do for the bull flag if it does come down to the 786 here right before getting invalidated? That would be as low as our bounce back would be from that point for this bull flag. 104, and at that point it'd be making a double top. But you don't want to talk about that. We'll just keep it like this and hope for the hopium. the less likely, improbable situation that keeps on happening. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, let's check out the 6-hour charts. All right, here on the 6-hour chart, we basically just have the same bull flag that we were looking at before. Let me just move this over a bit, and there you go. 786 invalidation, would be down here at $97,500. But yeah, again, the probability of a pullback here with that bull flag staying intact. Oops, wrong chart. Let me pull off of there, bring that back to the 6-hour, come back over here. 100.5 is our first target then, to keep the bull flag and our bullish nature alive. Not bullish on the long term. Long term, we're definitely going higher. Oh, not definitely. I can't say definitely. Possibly going higher, as you know, this bull flag that we've been looking at. This, I'll get back to that in a second. I know I'm all over the place tonight. I'm kind of tired. It's the end of the night. But yeah, here on the 6-hour chart, we are seeing Stokes overbought, RSI overbought. They're going to start coming down. We're going to see this retracement. Hopefully that, catches here at the 21, by the way. The 21 on the 90-minute chart has caught up to price action. Price action actually was caught in a Bollinger Band squeeze, and it's been breaking out to the upside. You'll actually see here on the 22-minute chart, you can see that it broke out to the upside as well, kind of indicating the 9-minute should keep moving in that direction. Also that the 22-minute Stokes are kind of at the bottom. They've reset. There's a higher high, confluence. Like, this still could keep going. As crazy as that sounds, but this could still keep going. The 5-minute also was in a squeeze and then broke out to the upside. Also looking like it wants to move up, but it can fall under. If it bounces off the 200, then yeah, we could see some more upside. If it falls under even just briefly, then, well, there's worry that it doesn't come back up over it, and so we feel a little more bullet bearish on that 5-minute chart, but that's the 5 minutes, noisy. On the 90, we're still over the 200. We're still way over it. 21's come up to it. So yeah, 6-hour, 21 still has to come up to it. Hasn't come up to price action yet. So price action could, come down, meet it right around where that bull flag on the 90-minute chart would still be valid in the golden pocket of the fib retracement on the 90-minute chart. This golden pocket here. If it fell in there, it would be about between the 382 and the 0.5 retracement, and it would keep us over that now support of 99.6. All right, let's look at the daily real quick. Like I was just saying, we can't go up into the right forever. There has to be some kind of pullback. Daily's also overbought on the RSI and the Stokes. Ready to start their oscillation to the downside. Like, yeah. So yeah, I think we're gonna see a little bit of that downside. I know I've been calling it and I've been wrong, and I hope I'm wrong again. I'd love to just keep seeing price action move up and to the right, but the more likely scenario again is a pullback. So where's the pullback gonna come to? We can get rid of this drawing, so we kind of made it there. That projection is played out. We've basically gotten up to where I was playing that out to, a higher high, but still a lower high than our highest high, that can then turn into a higher low, that can then turn into new all-time highs. But the risk is, of course, that we don't get that higher low. And the risk is, of course, that we don't go higher. That's the game we play. It's all about probabilities. I hope you're ready for it no matter what's coming. I know I am. But yeah, let's watch for that pullback. Let's hope 99.6 can hold as support. That's the basic gist of it. Definitely going to watch for that pullback, though, with these overbought indicators. Okay. That's about all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Music courteously provided, as always, by Luminist, Veloa, and Sax Squatch. You guys are awesome. Once again, thank you for watching. Give me a like. Much love. See you tomorrow.